the questions of exercise 6.2. Now our first question is find the squares of the following numbers. Now our first number is 32. Now we want to find the square of this number. So that can be written like 30 plus 2 square. Addition of these two numbers is 32. So we will apply the algebraic identity over here. That was a plus b square equals to a square plus b square plus 2ab. Now apply it over here. So here a plus b is, now it is given to us that if we compare these two, then a will be 30 and b will be 2. So apply this identity in this. So 30 plus 2 square will be 30 square a square plus b square is 2 square plus 2ab. So 2 multiplied by 30 multiplied by 2. Now 30 square will be 900, 2 square will be 4 plus 30 multiplied by 4 will be 120. Now 900 plus 120 will be 1020. 1020 plus 4, 1024. Now 35 square. So 35 square will be written like 30 plus 5 square. Now which is again, by applying this identity we get a is 30 and b is 5. So that will be written like 30 plus 5 square equal to 30 square plus 5 square plus 2 multiplied by 30 multiplied by 5. That will be equal to 30 square will be 900, 5 square will be 25 and 5 2s are 10. 10 multiplied by 30 will be 300. So after addition 900 plus 300, instead of these we can add just these two numbers. 9 plus 3 will be 12. 1200 plus 25, that will be 1225. So this is our answer. Now in this 1024 is our answer. Now next is 86 can be written like 80 plus 6 whole square. Again we apply this identity over here. So a is 80, b is 6. So 80 square plus 6 square plus 2 multiply 80 multiply 6. 80 square, that means 8 square is 64. 0 square will be 20. 6 square 36 plus 2 into 8 16. 16 6 the 960. Now 6400 plus 960, that will be 9 plus 4 13. 13 1 carry 73, 60 plus 36, that will be equal to 6 69 3 7. So 73 96. Now fourth question is, this can be written like 90 plus 3 whole square. Now once again apply the algebraic identity over here. That will be a plus b whole square. So our a is 90, b is 3. Now 90 plus 3 will be square equal to a square plus 3 square plus 2 multiplied by 90 multiplied by 3. That will be 90 square. If we squaring the 9, we get 81. 81 square. 0 square will be 2 times 0. So 9 plus 9 3 the 27. 27 into 2 54. So 54 with 1 0. Now 40 plus 9 49. 8100 plus 549. Now again on adding 49. 5 plus 1 will be 6. So 86 49 is our answer. So that's all. Now let's do next part. 71 square will be written like 70 plus 1 square, which is again by using the identity of a plus b square. that will be equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. Now here a is 70 and b is 1. A is 70, b is 1. So apply this identity over here. 70 plus 1 square will be equal to 70 square plus 1 square plus 2 multiplied by 70 multiplied by 1. That will be equal to 70 square. 7 square will be 49. 0 square will be 2, 0, 1. 7 multiplied by 2 will be 40 with 1, 0. Now here 141, 4900 plus 141. Now after adding 0 plus 1, 4 plus 0 will be 4, 9 plus 1, 10 with 1 carry. So 5041. So this is all about the answer. Now next is 46 square can be written like 40 plus 6 square. Again using this algebraic identity we will apply here. A is 40, B is 6. Now a plus b square will be equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. So a square will be 40 square, b square will be 6 square, 2ab will be 2 into 40 into 6. That will be 4 square will be 16, 0 square will be 2, 0, 6 square will be 36 and 2 multiplied by 40, 2 multiplied by 4 will be 8, 8 into 6, 48 with 1, 0 and again 36 plus 80. So 6, 0, 6, 8 plus 3, 11, 1 carry, 4 plus 1, 5, 1600. Now after adding 6 plus 0 will be 6, 1 plus 0 will be 1, 5 plus 6, 11, 1 carry, 2. So this is our answer. Now let's do second question. Write a Pythagoras triplet whose one member is 6. Now we want to find the three numbers that is the Pythagoras triplet. So from one of them, one is given to us. Let it be equal to 2m. So 2m will be equal to 6. M will be 6 upon 2, that will be equal to 3. Now another two numbers can be find out by using the formula m square minus 1 and m square plus 1. Now here value of m is find out by us. So we will put these values in this formula. 3 square minus 1, that will be 9 minus 1, that is 8. M square plus 1 will be 3 square plus 1, that will be 9 plus 1, that is 10. So our three triplets are 6, 8 and 10. So these are the three Pythagoras triplet of this. Now second is 2m equal to 14. So m will be equal to 14 by 2. Hence m will be 7. Now m square minus 1 will be 7 square minus 1, that will be 49 minus 1, 48. Now next will be m square plus 1, 7 square plus 1, that will be 49 plus 1, that is 50. So in this way three numbers are 14, 48 and 50. So these three are the Pythagoras triplet. Next part is 16. So 2m will be equal to 16, m will be equal to 16 by 2, that is 8. Now m square minus 1 will be 8 square minus 1, that will be 64 minus 1, 63. M square plus 1 will be equal to 8 square plus 1, that will be 64 plus 1, 65. So our Pythagoras triplet are 16, 63 and 65. Next question can be written like 2m equals to 18. So here m will be 18 by 2, 9. M square minus 1 will be equal to 9 square minus 1, which will be 81 minus 1, 80, and m square plus 1 will be 9 square plus 1, 81 plus 1, 82. So our Pythagoras triplet will be 1 is given to us, next is 80 and 82. So now here if we look at these numbers carefully, then difference of second and third number will be 2. 8 plus 2 10, 48 plus 2 50, 63 plus 2 65, 80 plus 2 82. So if we given one number, by putting the formula we can find the second number, and the third number will be ultimately 2 more than the second number. That's all.